Today we're going to be looking at something totally, well, dental. And I have to say, what we're going to be looking at today is one of the most surprising and even exciting gadgets I've ever seen. But before I show you what I've got, we're going to have a talk about flossing. Now, we all know flossing is fantastically important. It prevents gum disease, obviously, but repeated studies have shown that failing to floss can contribute to diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even dementia. Now, the other thing we know about flossing is that on average, we all do it for about a week after the latest lecture from the dentist or the hygienist because it's so boring and tedious. But what about if I told you I have a device here which makes flossing not only efficient and fast, but actually something you quite look forward to? This is the Phillips Air Floss. It comes out in September at around £90, and a lot of people in dentistry say it's going to completely revolutionise flossing. Now, I'll show you how it works. You fill this little reservoir up with either water, as I am here, or you can use mouthwash if you prefer. It doesn't really make any difference. You then turn it on, and this now ejects a stream of compressed air plus the water or mouthwash at something like 45 miles an hour between the gaps in your teeth. And I'll show you on a piece of paper from the very posh 38 Devonshire Street practice here just how fast that really is. I could actually feel that paper really moving as I hit it. Now imagine what that's like on your teeth. Let me give you a demonstration of how it actually works. The sensation is really it's nice. You feel this jet of stuff going through your teeth. You get that, you know, that familiar kind of slightly pond smell you get when you floss. You get that immediately, so there's evidence that it's working. So the Phillips Air Floss looks good and it felt good, but to find out more about it, I've had secreted away in a cavity here Dr. Ian Peace, who's one of the leading periodontists, that's gum specialists in the country. Ian, is this as good as flossing?
There's a big difficulty with flossing, and it's very difficult to use, winding it around your fingers, trying to get it between your teeth. And one of the problems is even if you get it between your teeth, I'm not totally convinced it gets all of the plaque out and all the debris out that you would hope it would.
And this can?
Well, this is a very new technology. Instead of you forcing something up between the teeth, this blasts air and water between the teeth, removing the debris, the food, and more importantly, the plaque that does the damage.
Now, you mentioned water there. Now, there's some people feel you can use this with mouthwash or with water. There's a controversy between the two. Which side do you fall on?
I'm falling onto the side of using mouthwash in this device. Plaque is a biofilm. It's a sticky mass, so the mouthwash doesn't easily penetrate into that biofilm. By putting it into this device, you'll actually blast the mouthwash into specific areas and maybe force the plaque out and also force the mouthwash into the plaque as well.
Now, I've seen a device around called the water pick from America, which I think is a kind of a similar idea, but is this technology different from that?
Yeah, I think the water pick is more of a pulsed water. This is a blast of water. I feel that this is a new step on and is a breakthrough technology, and I'm very excited about where this will develop from here.
So there we have it, the device that makes flossing fun and is perhaps even better than traditional floss. Thanks for watching Technopolis TV, and here's wishing you good dental health.